Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Coming at you today for a product spotlight video looking at a brand new product to our store but not to the shaving world at all, Barrister Mann. We have known of Barrister Mann for many, many years. They got a start back in 2013, right around the same time Razor Emporium was really getting up and running, and we have always seen this product line, and it's been something I've been wanting to carry for a long time. We recently approached the founder, which is William Carius, and we said, "Hey man, we want to carry your products." And he said, "No problem. I'm actually kind of redoing my line, and let's get you set up." So really excited to just get this delivery. Like literally yesterday, this just arrived. So we were really excited to have this in our store. Will Carius founded the business in 2013 out of Boston, Massachusetts, out of a personal need, which I really can identify with. He had a lot of issues with sensitive skin and not being able to use a lot of other products in the market, so he thought he would make it himself. I really respect that. And he got started in the business with his mom, and I think to this day, she and him are still actively partners, and they are making this product as business partners together. And that's really cool that they have that family business. And the line of products is a tallow-based shaving soap. It is complemented by both a balm and a splash across the board. And it has been known in the world for a long time. They're probably one of the biggest names out there, up there with Phoenix Artisan or Sterling or some of the other kind of gold tier level. Like people know these artisans, and they're widely carried and widely respected. And again, we're really happy to have them in our store. They are known to be high-performing soaps, great on your skin, great ingredient list, all natural ingredients, and also have a lot of unique scents. A lot of, he's got a really good nose. He really knows how to put together a fragrance profile, and also the branding. I love the artwork on here. I love the consistency of the black, boxes, packaging, and the labels, and everything's kind of color-coded. As we were setting this up, I really liked seeing everything together in its little fashion here. So he's got a really, really cool way of how his brand is displayed. So with that said, let's go through some of the fragrances. And I think at this point, it is just these 8 fragrances, which is another kind of really cool thing I want to say, that some artisans go hog wild, and I'm not dissing on that, and they have 20, 30, 40, 50 different soaps, and it's hard to keep up with. But it looks like Will and his mom are keeping it down to just these 8, and I really do respect it. I think that's more kind of global thinking, especially if you get your product into stores around the world. Having a concise line is really, really nice to do. So let's go through some of these right now. Waves is a fresh, stylish blend of sea notes, lavender, geranium, and bergamot that smells great on anyone and goes with absolutely everything. Spice is a slice of vintage Americana featuring notes of carnation, nutmeg, vanilla, and tonka bean. Spice is great for when you're looking for a bit of history. Ooh, now that's definitely a crowd pleaser. Muirwood is a tribute to one of our great forefathers in a strikingly unconventional manner. In keeping with Muir's love of the forest, we've attempted to capture the crepuscular gloom of the woods at dusk, all purples and greens and blues. Blackberry seemed a perfect choice to blend with the jammy resin of balsam fir, while oak moss and vetiver lace the undergrowth, the scent of damp air so common in the Pacific Northwest, leaving a hauntingly gossamer shimmer in its wake. Bay rum, traditional spicy aroma of blackstrap rum, Indie Bay, sweet orange, cinnamon, and vanilla-like benzoin. No clove in this one. Cheshire. One of Will's favorite scents is an attempt to bring your favorite cuppa to your wet shave. Notes of sage, bergamot, and hints of lavender and patchouli are a pretty spot-on replica of Earl Grey tea. La Vanille. The heart of this scent is a labor of love. Mousse de Saxe. This dark, leathery scent was lost to the mist of time until Will recreated it. For this fragrance, he blends it with lavender, vanilla, cedar, and musk for a noteworthy aroma. La Grande Chypre. Inspired by the island of Cyprus and the perfume classification that bears its name, this Chypre scent has the traditional notes of bergamot, lime, labdanum, oak moss, patchouli, but then Will has added depth with peach, rose, and frankincense, cedar, and cinnamon. Ooh, I like that. Seville. There are many barbershops on the market, but Will's fans have dubbed this one God's Barbershop. Notes of lemon, bergamot, rosemary, lavender, patchouli, and oak moss give a nod to the Barber of Seville. Well, I am really excited that we have the opportunity to carry this awesome line of products. Great addition to the Razor Emporium lobby. If you guys haven't already done so, please check out Barrister Mann, and maybe it will have an opportunity to grace the shelf of your shave den, and it'd be something new to your bathroom. I think this is some phenomenal product, and if you read the reviews and search around, you're going to definitely see all sorts of great stuff on Barrister Mann. So that's all I got. I think next we're going to have to get it in here so I can experience some of it. I think I've used the product in the past once or twice, so definitely need to get it in here and tell you guys all about it. We'll do that next time. But for now, if you've heard of Barrister Mann, if you like Barrister Mann, tell me below in the comments, and we will see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.